Cast.
We'll get to the latest on Elsa in just a moment. Yes, another hot and humid day across the region. Made it up to 95 at the airport. Currently 93 with a dew point of 66. It still feels like it's in the mid-90s. Winds are light from the south and the southwest. We've got currently 92 at the Valley Airport in Weir's Cave. A dew point has come down a little bit, and I'm going to get to the radar in just a moment. There is a storm northwest of Harrisonburg. 93 currently in Culpeper. We've got 89 in Palmyra, 92 in Dillon, 90 currently in Waynesboro. And as we take a look at NBC29's Doppler radar network, we're going to go into northwestern Rockingham County. This is well north of Harrisonburg, but this is a severe thunderstorm warning for a cell that's moving out of Pendleton County, West Virginia. This is basically in the George Washington National Forest and real west of the major Route 42 and I-81. But again, some damaging wind gusts, some hail, and you can see some of the lightning strikes in association with that storm. Anything that does develop here this evening will be very isolated in nature and mainly confined west of the Blue Ridge and mainly confined west of I-81. Temperatures here overnight, either side of 70, warm and muggy conditions. Another hot and humid day tomorrow with most of us topping out in the low and mid-90s. You couple that with the humidity, that means real field temperatures during the afternoon anywhere from the mid-90s to low 100s. So take all those precautions once again to stay cool. Make sure you're hydrated, seeking air conditioning, make sure your pets are protected. So outside of an isolated storm, it's pretty much a repeat of tomorrow's weather of what we experienced today. Now as we take a look at the next couple of days, we get into Thursday. A lot more cloud cover. Temperatures come down. It'll still remain humid, and we are going to watch some of the moisture in association with Elsa, but it does appear the bulk of the heavier rain is going to set up well south and east of our region. But nonetheless, some showers and a storm here on Thursday, and then we're back to temperatures near 90 as we tick those into the weekend with maybe some shower and storm chances. Well, the latest on Elsa. Elsa is displaced from where you're seeing most of the showers and thunderstorms here, and it's about 150 miles to the south-southwest of Tampa. You can see the tornado watch, which covers much of central and southern Florida, and some very heavy rain continues here. The storm surge flooding will continue, and it's moving north, and it will make landfall later tomorrow. Right now, kind of just scraping the coast, but you're talking about 3 to 6+ inches of rainfall, wind action. Here we are later tomorrow afternoon, making landfall in North Florida, and then it'll try to weaken out as a depression before it strengthens again. But as it heads up towards Savannah and Charleston, up toward Fayetteville, North Carolina, that'll be some very heavy rain, and then it emerges off the Virginia Capes as we get into early Friday morning. So the chance for the Mid-Atlantic will be really the day on Thursday, and then it becomes a tropical storm and accelerates out across portions of the Northeast. So again, we've got one little isolated storm at this time. Most of the big storms are out across the Northeast as the front's coming down from the Great Lakes. But here we go with Futurecast tonight. Pretty quiet. Temperatures in the morning either side of 70. Tomorrow afternoon, low to mid-90s. There could be an isolated storm or two, mainly to the west. And then Thursday, clouds are in place. And then here comes the moisture in association with Elsa. But you'll notice the heaviest action is really off to the south and east. We'll be in the 80s, a little cooler. It'll still be humid. Then that moisture will kind of quickly move away as we get into Thursday night and Friday. Temperatures here overnight either side of 70. Here's a look at the Michael and Son 7-day forecast. We'll keep the heat and the high humidity around here for tomorrow, and then still not as hot here for Thursday. Watching some of the moisture in association with Elsa. Right now, again, the heaviest activity off to our south and east. Casey, right now the weekend heats back up, and we could have some more storm chances, especially by the end of the weekend.
All right, sounds good. Keeping an eye on it.
Yeah.
Thank you, Eric.